Hey there, digital marketing enthusiast. Welcome back to another episode of Digital Marketing Insights. I'm your friendly host, Sheril, and today is just you and me diving into the exciting world of optimizing Google Ads. Alright, let's get into the nitty gritty. I've got 5 awesome tips to supercharge your Google Ad game. No jargon, just easy to follow advice. So here we go. Tip number 1, keyword magic. Imagine keywords as the magic spell of the digital marketing world. You've got to pick the right ones to conjure up success. So start with some good old keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find those keywords that will bring in the clicks and conversions. Now, tip number 2, quality score mastery. Your ads need to be like a perfect match on a dating app, highly relevant. That's what quality score improvement is all about. Craft ad copy and landing pages that match your keywords. This can lead to lower costs per click and better ad placement. Cool, isn't it? Tip number 3, extension extravaganza. Think of ad extension as bonus topping on your pizza. They make your ads more appealing, so use those ad extensions like site links, callouts, and structure snippets. They give users more information and increase your chances of clicks. Moving on to tip number 4, negative ninja. Be a ninja and cut out the noise with negative keywords. Regularly check and update your list of negatives. This stops your ads from showing up for irrelevant searches and also saves you money in the long run. It's like saving money for the stuff that matters. Last but not the least, tip number 5, alpha beta test adventures. It's like trying on different outfits to see which one suits you best. Alpha beta testing is the same for your ads. Experiment with different ad creatives, headlines, and landing pages. Find out what your audience loves and optimize accordingly. That's a wrap for today's episode of Digital Marketing Insights. Remember, it's all about getting creative and staying nimble with your Google Ads. Keep these tips in your digital toolbox and watch your campaigns shine till we meet again. Bye-bye.